I'm Dr. Latif Elbanna, a dental lecturer instructor in Columbia College with a PhD in dentistry and 20 years experience in prosthodontics. I like so much the program here because the program here prepares the students for a real career with the large opportunities, especially with the developing and the digital dentistry. From day one, I work with them step by step, preparing them to know every science behind the step and performing the step to prepare them for a real career. Dental laboratory technology career is a career where the technicians work closely to the dentist to fabricate a restoration which restores the patient confidence and aesthetics. For anyone who like to work with his hands or to like technology, who understand the science and merge it, integrated it with digital dentistry, I can say to him, come and join us.